What's up, everybody? OL Island Fishing here, and I know it's been a while, but I'm out here today. It's going to be a hot day. It is sunny where I'm at right now, but just the west of me, a couple miles, I could see a big patch of clouds. According to the radar, it's supposed to push towards the west, which is away from me, but you never can tell. So I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm soaking some bait right now. Hopefully we can get our quick limit so we can get out of here before this cloud move towards me and take my son away. Like I said, I got bait soaking right now. I'm gonna try to throw a lure while I'm waiting for a bite. Good to be back, guys. Stick around and wish me luck. Let's get this going. Here we go, guys. I got a good bite on a live mullet. First one. Feels good. Hopefully we'll land this fish. Didn't take long, which is what exactly what I need. All of a sudden it got lighter. Maybe it's coming at me. It's a redfish. Don't look very big. I don't think it's a keeper, but it's a good sign. Hopefully there's more. If this is not a keeper, oh, it might be a keeper. I don't know. We don't really. It's hard to tell when it's still in the water. Come on, buddy. There's a rain just west of me, and it's pretty thick cloud, and we want quick action just like it is. I don't know, this guy's pushing. We'll close, we'll measure it, and hopefully it's a keeper. Here we go. Oh, it's bleeding too. Hopefully it's a keeper. He's hooked right on his tongue, so that's why he's bleeding a lot. So we'll see. This guy is 21. Just what we need. Keeper size. Good size. We'll get this guy off the hook, put him on ice, and hopefully we get a couple more, and hopefully it's gonna be a quick day. Like I said, the cloud was just right west of me. It's getting closer and closer, but we got our first keeper, 21-inch red. I got another bite, guys. Back to back. Ooh, see the mullet jumping out. Where is that? Shaking his head a lot, and I'm pretty sure it's a redfish. Oh, let me step up here. My back hurts. He's coming in really easy though, but I don't mean anything. Coming right behind me. Looks like about the same size as the first fish. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Get in here. Get in here. Oh, you're not finished. In the net. And he's drumming. Yep, looks like about the same size. Back to back. Where's my fish grip? There it is. I didn't even get the chance to put the first one in ice. Immediately toss another bait out there and got another one. He's drumming and he's bleeding too. It's another 21-inch red. So that's two redfish, exact the same size. Like I said, I didn't even get the chance to put the first fish on ice. We got two. So keep it going. One more and then I feel a little better. Oh yeah, that hook almost came out. Yep, came right out. Oh, he's bleeding a lot. Put him next to his buddy here, let it bleed, and don't waste any time. Put another bait out there. Someone's missing one bait. I think it's coming at me. Here we go. Fish one. Yeah, buddy. He didn't take off. I just felt it bump. This time it's coming this way and it's taking off. I see it. It's redfish. It's on top of the water, but he's way out there. Yep, taking a little bit of drag. It's a keeper. This is a keeper. There will be a third one in like literally less than 30 minutes, and it is bigger. It looks bigger than that first two. He's not quite ready. He's not quite ready. Look like he's barely hooked too, man. He is barely hooked. Hook right underneath his jaw, and definitely a little bigger than the first two. Yes, 3 in a row. This guy was trying to be slick. When he took the bait, he was just thumping it. I saw the tip of the rod go like this. Pick up the rod, and sure enough, he was coming towards me to my right. Let me see. Oh, this guy's 22, an inch longer than the first two. So we got our 3. Yes sir, we got our 3 quick. So we're gonna put these boys on ice and get out of here before it gets too hot. And that rain, man, it's making me nervous. So like I said, put this bag in the bag and gather the things and head back to the truck. It was a good day, or good morning. Quick action. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.